Hello everyone, this is Aishwarya and welcome to Beauty with Coach. So guys, in last video I covered what linked list is, and apart from that I covered one important operation, that is traversal, isn't it? So if you are not much comfortable with those topics, please go and watch the previous video and then come here, because today we are going to discuss one more important operation which we perform on linked list. So that is insertion. Okay, insertion. So what linked list insertion mean? See, it means you already have a linked list, or you have an already existing linked list. Okay, and now you want to insert a new node in that linked list. Okay, so let's say you had a linked list of say 3 nodes, and now you want 4th node to be inserted. So to where you can insert that node or that new node, maybe at beginning, maybe at end, or somewhere in between, isn't it? So yes, 3 ways are there. You can insert your new node at beginning, second at end, and third somewhere in between. Okay, so today we are going to discuss everything about that. So I think we should start with insertion at beginning, then we'll move to insertion at end, and finally insertion at any position. So let's get started with insertion at beginning. So guys, this is our original linked list and we want D, a new node, to be inserted at the beginning. Okay, so we want our linked list as DABC. Okay, so D must be the first element or the first node, then A, then B, and then C. Okay, so what can we do? We could do 2 things. Okay, I'll explain both the method. Okay, and you have to say what is the best, okay, or which method is the best. Okay, so initially let's say we made head pointing to D. Okay, so 5 is there, it means yes, C. Yes, we could have done this. Now head is pointing to D and not A. Okay, and now we will make D point to A. That is okay. But what is the problem? The problem is, since head is pointing to D, that is fine, but now D has to point to A, but by that time there is no one to hold address of A, isn't it? Because head is busy holding address of D. Sorry, A is busy holding address of D, isn't it? So there is no one to hold address of A. So this whole linked list is going to be lost. Okay, so we are not going to have this linked list anymore. So D cannot point to A. It means we are going to have only one node in our linked list, that is D. So this method is totally inappropriate, isn't it? Now move to second method. So yes, again we have the same linked list. Head is pointing to A is pointing to B, and B is pointing to C. Fine, this is our new node. So yes, again we want to insert it at beginning. Initially it is not pointing to anywhere, so I made it point to null. Okay, now what can we do? We can make new node pointing to A. Okay, or new node, we can make new node pointing to whoever head is pointing. So head is pointing to A, so when new node will point to A, it means there is someone who is holding address of A, that is D. Okay, and yes, head is also holding address of A, but this time what do we want? We want D as our first node. So what can we do? We will make head pointing to D. So see, now head can point to D because address of A is secured in D, isn't it? So yes, this method is the better one, isn't it? Or this method is the only one, we can say, because the method which I showed earlier was completely useless, isn't it? So yes, now what is our linked list? Our linked list is D, A, B, C. So we got our desired linked list, isn't it? So this is the only method in which we can insert a new node at beginning. If you know another method, please feel free to let me know in comment section. So I hope everything is clear. No, then go and watch it again. And if everything is clear, move to insertion at end. So now you have to insert node or the new node at the end of already existing linked list. Okay, so let's get started with insertion at the end. So guys, this is our original linked list. Head is pointing to A is pointing to B, and B is pointing to C. Fine, but we want new node D to be inserted at end. Okay, so what can we do? We can simply make C point to D. No, linked list does not allow random access. So for reaching C, you have to go through all these elements, or all these nodes rather. Okay, so and for traversing we need an extra pointer, isn't it? So yes, temp is an extra pointer, or temp is a pointer of node type. Okay, so data type of temp is node. Okay, so initially temp is equals to head. It means whatever be the value of head, that is going to be value of temp. So yes, temp is equals to 10. It means temp is holding address of A, isn't it? It means temp is pointing to A. Okay, since link of A is not equals to null, see, check what is the link of temp. So link of temp is nothing but link of A, that is 20. Since 20 is not equals to null, temp is going to be temp of link. Okay, so yes, now temp is going to be 20. Okay, it means temp is no more pointing to A, temp is now pointing to B. Okay, what is link of B? Link of B is 30. That is again not null. Okay, so yes, this is going to be 30, isn't it? So yes, this is going to be 30. It means temp is now pointing to C and not B. So okay, now check what the value of link of C is. So link of C is null, isn't it? It means temp is going to, sorry, it means loop is going to stop here, and temp of link will have value of or address of new node. Okay, so address of new node is 40. It means C is going to have 40 in its pointer part. It means C is pointing to D. Fine, but now what about D? To whom will D point? Since D is the last pointer, this is not going to point to anywhere. It means it is going to point to null. Okay, so in this way we could insert D at the end. So by now you know how to insert a new node at the beginning, or how to insert a new node at the end. Now I want you to insert new node after second node. Okay, so after second node of an already existing linked list. So I want new node to be the third one after insertion. How can we do that? Like this. Let's get started and see how can we do that. So guys, this is our original linked list, that is fine, but now we want this new node D to be inserted after B. Okay, after B and before D. So we want D between B and C. Okay, so what can we do? For that also we need to traverse, isn't it? We cannot go to B directly. For reaching B we have to go through A, isn't it? So what will we do? We will need an extra pointer called temp, and data type of temp is again going to be node. Okay, so initially temp will have the same value as head, so it is going to be 10, and it means temp is now pointing to A. Okay, now since temp of I, or data part of temp, is not equals to B. Why not equals to B? Because we want new element or new node to be inserted after B, but it is A, isn't it? It means temp is going to be temp of link. So temp of link is nothing but 20, isn't it? So now this is going to be 20, and now temp points to B. That is fine. And now let's see whether data part of temp is B or not. Yes, it is B. It means yes, loop is going to be broken here. And now new of link. So new of link is this. This is going to have value of temp of link. So what is the value of temp of link? So value of temp of link is 30. So new node will hold the value 30, that is new node will start pointing to C. That is fine. Now both B and C are pointing to D, isn't it? Now what will we do? We will make link of temp pointing to D, or the new node. So this is not going to point to 30 but to 40, or the node whose address is 40. So C. Now B is pointing to D. It means head is pointing to A is pointing to B is pointing to D, and D is pointing to C. Okay, this is something we wanted, isn't it? So I hope you understood everything about linked list insertion, that is a new node to be inserted at the beginning, new node to be inserted at the end, or new node to be inserted at desired position. If no, then do let me know in comment section. I'll try to explain it once more. Okay, and if yes, then please share this video with your friends. This video may help your friends too. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to it and hit the bell icon next to it. So with this note, I think I should wrap up this video. So stay healthy, stay fit, love you all. This is Aishwarya signing off. Bye bye. Bye.